shit, what the fuck happened? I don't know, G, but check this shit out. I got some brand new shit coming from these niggas straight out of South Memphis called Pooin' there. Managed by my homeboy Zero. Y'all check this shit out. Check it out, G. Check it out, G. Check it out, G. Check it out. Guess who, motherfucker? Like this, beyond.
SHP, Toby T, that's the way you gotta be. All about a come on G, making money easily. SHP, Toby T, that's the way you gotta be. All about a come on G, making money easily. Here to the show, I hope you motherfuckers know. Yes, this shit is bumping, yes, it's bumping, cause we making dough. I'm making free bumping, this shit up, also known as energy, making up the dough. Puckles coming out the bank, Kiwi told him drop it out. Puckles coming out the bank, Kiwi told him drop it out. Jack B, let me get Jack so quick. Jack with a Jackson mask on that bitch. Terrifying these niggas so 666, we like that shit, see. Popping car, make it die, digging bitches with the M. Making them fucking so the liquor allergen.
Oh shit, what the fuck happened? I don't know, G, but check this shit out. I got some brand new shit coming from these niggas straight out of South Memphis called Pooin' there. Managed by my homeboy Zero. Y'all check this shit out. Check it out, check it out. Life is beyond.
Like,